Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this video you will learn about how to join one letter with all letter of Urdu alphabet. In this video you will learn about how one letter join with all other letter of alphabet. I will practice in this video in 3 words, and you can make practice by joining all the letter with when all other letters. Without wasting time, let's start with Be Alif Ba. First I am joining Be with all letter. Be Bab, Be Jim Baj, Be Dal Bad, Be Re Bar, Be Sin Bas, Be Swad Bas, Be Twain Bat, Be En Ba, Be Fe Baf, Be Kaf Bak, Be Kaf Bak, Be Lam Bal, Be Mim Bam, Be Noon Ban, Be Wa Bo, Be He Beh, Be Chotiye Be, Be Badiye Be. Now I am joining Kaf with all letter. Kaf Alif Ka, Kaf Be Kab, Kaf Jim Kaj, Kaf Dal Kad, Kaf Re Kar, Kaf Sin Kes, Kaf Swad Kas, Kaf Twain Kat, Kaf En Ka, Kaf Fe Kaf, Kaf Kaf Kak, Kaf Kaf Kak, Kaf Lam Kal, Kaf Mim Kam, Kaf Nun Kan, Kaf Wa Ko, Kaf He Ke, Kaf Chotiye Ki, Kaf Badiye Ke. Now I am joining He with all letters. He Alif Ha, He Be Hab, He Jim Haj, He Dal Had, He Re Har, He Sin Has, He Swad Has, He Twain Hat, He En Ha, He Fe Haf, He Kaf Hak, He Kaf Hak, He Lam Hal, He Mim Ham, He Nun Han, He Wa Ho, He He Chotiye He, He Badiye He. Learn this word He. We use this word many times, so you have learned about He and He. We'll differentiate in other videos. So till then, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.